Well, some folks had a little bit of rain, some big Hollywood snowflakes yesterday, but rain is back for us by Tuesday evening.
Okay, but the daytime hours, Ann, sounds like those are going to be okay.
Yeah, there could be maybe a few showers in the morning hours on Tuesday up into northern and north central Iowa, but the real rain will get here as we head into the overnight hours, probably after at least 10, 11 o'clock on Tuesday night. Do we see any kind of showers or thunderstorms start to develop? Temperatures today, though, running a little bit warmer than yesterday. Started off chilly, but the afternoon hours have climbed back up to near 50 degrees here towards the second half of the day. A little bit of cloud cover perhaps pushing into northwestern Iowa, but that's about it. As we head into the afternoon, rest of the afternoon hours here tonight, should stay mostly sunny. A few clouds passing here this evening, but then we go into the day on Tuesday. Definitely notice an increase in cloud cover here throughout the morning and mid-morning hours Tuesday. Maybe a stray shower or two is possible here before lunchtime or so. We'll get a break towards dinner time, and then again, it's well after sunset before we start to see any kind of shower and thunderstorm activity developing. There could be some stronger storms embedded here in this line. Mainly wind and hail would be our biggest concerns with any of these storms overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. It shifts off to the east here, and then by daytime hours, at least mid-morning hours on Wednesday, we should be dry here across central Iowa with most of that rain lingering into eastern Iowa for the rest of the day on Wednesday. Winds will start to pick up as early as tomorrow, especially tomorrow evening. Gusts up to about 35 to 40 miles per hour at times. And then by Wednesday, we've got more of a westerly wind here with those gusts still hanging on to about 40 miles per hour throughout the day on Wednesday. Most of us looking at least some substantial rainfall here with this storm system. Some of those higher totals, maybe upwards of an inch or so, focus mainly across southern and northern portions of Missouri, southern Iowa and northern Missouri for Tuesday night into Wednesday. But I think a lot of us will see the rain here overnight. By tomorrow night, I should say. Tonight stays quiet. We'll call it mostly clear to partly cloudy. Tomorrow's forecast, mid-50s, low 50s across southern Iowa, slightly cooler up across the northern tier of the state. 8-day forecast keeps those storms in the forecast late Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon is mainly dry, but it will be windy on Wednesday. Temperatures hang back into the mid-50s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Right now, weekend is looking dry. That next storm system that moves in likely staying to the south of Iowa through Saturday and Sunday, back to sunshine.